Welcome to the Miltenberger Law Offices website and YouTube channel. Our Omaha criminal defense firm brings more than a decade of trial experience, backed by over 145-star reviews and a strong record of client satisfaction, DUI dismissals, DUI charge reductions, and courtroom victories. We've created these audio articles to provide clear, accessible guidance designed to protect your freedom, your reputation, and your rights. Driving while suspended or revoked lawyer in Omaha, Nebraska. A DUI charge in Omaha is already serious, but driving while your license is suspended or revoked because of a prior DUI can turn a difficult situation into a felony-level legal emergency. In Nebraska, prosecutors view this as a deliberate disregard for court orders and public safety, meaning you could face harsh jail sentences, steep fines, and years of license revocation on top of your current DUI charge. At Miltenberger Law Offices, we know how devastating these cases can be for hardworking Nebraskans who rely on their vehicle for work, family, or medical needs. Our Omaha DUI defense lawyers take swift, strategic action to challenge the prosecution's case, protect your rights, and fight to keep you out of jail. If you're facing DUI charges while your license is suspended or revoked in Omaha or anywhere else in Nebraska, call 402-217-2267 or contact us online today for a free, confidential consultation. Understanding DUI while driving under suspension or revocation in Nebraska. Under Nebraska, Revised Statute, Section 60-6, 197.06, it is illegal to operate a motor vehicle while your driver's license or operating privileges are suspended, revoked, or impounded due to a previous DUI conviction or refusal to submit to chemical testing. When you combine an Omaha DUI charge with driving on a revoked license, it becomes a separate criminal offense that carries its own penalties, often stacked on top of your new DUI sentence. You can be charged with this offense in the Omaha area and elsewhere in Nebraska if you are caught driving while your license is suspended or revoked for a prior DUI. You are found operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or a combination of both. You are driving with an ignition interlock device and fail a required breath test or operate a vehicle not equipped with one. Even if you believed your license had been reinstated or didn't understand the status of your driving privileges, you can still face serious criminal consequences. That's why it's essential to contact a skilled Omaha DUI lawyer at Miltenberger Law Offices as soon as possible. Penalties for DUI while driving on a suspended or revoked license in Omaha. Nebraska treats this combination of offenses extremely seriously. A conviction can lead to long-term imprisonment, hefty fines, and further license revocation. You need a knowledgeable Omaha DUI defense lawyer on your side right away. In addition to these criminal penalties, you may also face mandatory IID installation, vehicle impoundment or immobilization, alcohol/drug evaluation and treatment programs, probation supervision, and random testing. A conviction also leaves a permanent felony record, which can impact future employment, housing, and professional licensing. How Miltenberger Law Offices defends DUI while suspended or revoked cases in Omaha. Our Omaha DUI defense attorneys have decades of experience handling complex DUI cases, especially those involving license revocations, administrative penalties, and multiple prior convictions. We analyze every part of your case to find the cracks in the prosecution's foundation. Some of our common Nebraska DUI defense strategies include challenging the legality of the initial stop, probable cause, questioning the accuracy of BAC testing equipment under the state's guidelines in Title 177, proving your license was not lawfully revoked, demonstrating lack of intent or knowledge of revocation, arguing procedural errors in your arrest or DMV handling, negotiating charge reductions or probation in lieu of jail time. Our experienced DUI defense team in Omaha also coordinates with the Nebraska DMV to contest license revocation and explore ignition interlock eligibility. What to do if you're arrested for DUI while driving on a suspended or revoked license in Omaha. If you're stopped for DUI while under license suspension or revocation in Omaha or elsewhere in Nebraska, how you respond in the moments after your arrest can significantly affect the outcome of your case. Here's what to do. Step 1. Stay calm and polite. Cooperate with officers, but do not answer incriminating questions about alcohol, drugs, or your license status. Everything you say can be used against you. Step 2. Do not consent to field sobriety tests, FSTS. FSTs and eye tests are voluntary in Nebraska and often unreliable. You can politely decline without penalty. Step 3. Request an Omaha DUI defense attorney immediately. Invoke your right to legal counsel and call Miltenberger Law Offices at 402-217-2267 or reach out online before answering any questions or submitting to additional testing. Our DUI, while suspended or revoked defense attorneys in Omaha can step in to protect you from self-incrimination. Step 4. Do not drive again until advised. Driving again while revoked can create new felony charges. We'll help determine your eligibility for ignition, interlock permits, or restricted driving privileges like the Sobriety Program Permit, SPP. Step 5. Act fast on your Nebraska DMV hearing. You have only 10 days from your arrest to request an administrative license revocation ALR hearing with the DMV. We can represent you at that hearing and fight to keep your driving privileges. Why choose Miltenberger Law Offices to defend your Omaha DUI charge? When you're facing a felony-level DUI charge in Omaha, you can't afford a passive defense. You need a law firm that understands Nebraska DUI law inside and out and knows how to fight hard for your rights and freedom. At Miltenberger Law Offices, we provide decades of criminal trial experience in Omaha and across Nebraska. Aggressive DUI defense from start to finish. A proven record of case dismissals and charge reductions statewide. Direct communication with your attorney, not a paralegal or junior-level employee. 24/7 availability for urgent calls after an arrest. We've helped hundreds of Nebraskans fight serious DUI charges, and we'll fight for you too. Take action now. Call an Omaha DUI defense lawyer at Miltenberger Law Offices. A DUI charge while driving on a suspended or revoked license is one of the toughest cases Nebraska prosecutors pursue. But with Miltenberger Law Offices on your side, you have an aggressive ally who knows how to fight back. We'll protect your license, your record, and your freedom at every stage of your Omaha DUI case. Call us now at 402-217-2267 or contact us online to schedule a case evaluation with an expert Omaha DUI while driving on a suspended revoked license defense attorney.